Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Rad Random Things, and today I got something really special for all of you. Today, I was able to get my hands on the new limited edition Spider-Man 2 PS5. Now, this is really exciting because this is new. It was up for pre-order, and it's just really cool overall. Like, look at this design. It looks like the Venom symbiote is taking over the console and taking over the controller. And then, on the other side, it looks really cool. Has a nice shot of Miles Morales and Peter Parker going up against Venom. I think this is really cool. So, we are going to unbox this. Alright. Alright. So, I have my knife now. So let's cut right into this thing. Hopefully I can get this out without destroying it too much. So, this is what came out of here. It's kind of like a shell with a really cool design. Oh, look at that. Okay. Oh, I see how it is. Oh, okay, that looks pretty cool. So, it looks like we had to get this thing out. We'll unbox that in a little bit. But, yeah, it looks like the actual PS5 is right here, so let me get this out of the way. Gotta be careful. Make sure you guys can see it. Now this is I think I see it. Yeah, that's the PS5 right there. Wow. let's unwrap this. It looks like it's a protective wrap, kind of like a present, you know. Ooh. Oh wow, this looks cool. This looks really nice. Oh wow. There we go. Prop it up for you guys. So this is the front side while it is stood up. Has a nice design of the usual red background with the white spider, but being taken over by the Venom symbiote. And you can see the Venom symbiote itself right here with a completely black backside. This just looks super cool. All in all, you see everything. Wow. You guys can see the side view now. This is nice. So put this over here very carefully because this was a little expensive. There was, yep. So with this, with this, I'm able to get the Spider-Man 2 video game on this bad boy right here. So that's pretty cool. But this thing also comes with a controller, and I'm pretty sure this is what this is. And based on what I've seen in the cover, the controller is gonna look pretty nice. So here is the cable to connect stuff. Oh, this is the controller. It's wrapped in film. Look at this. Look at this. This just looks super cool. Like it's mostly taken over by the Venom symbiote, but it has a hint of red over here. It just overall looks very nice and super cool. Let's see what else is in here. Another cable. This looks like, yeah, this is the charger. Yeah, this is the manual. Ooh. This looks like the base plate. This is what you would, if you make your PS5 stand up, you can prop it on the base plate over here. So actually, let's do that. Let's see how that looks. This is another cable. Yeah, let's do that. Let's prop it up. This is pretty cool. I don't know how to do this. Oh wait, I think it's upside down. Yep. Wait. Well, honestly, I'm not sure how to put this on here. If that's even supposed to go on there. It could be the controller. It could be really anything. But yeah, this is the Spider-Man PS5. Personally, I am very impressed. This is a very nice looking controller because there are only like normally there's the blue one, the white one. They came out with a black one. There's the red one and the purple one and the pink one. But this one is completely different. Like it has a Spider-Man design on it. It just has a whole lot more going on with it. And then there's the PS5 itself, which is the first variation from the actual PS5, which I think is very cool. I'm really excited to play the game once it comes out October 20th. I'm really excited to test this thing out, hook it up in my room. I'm just amazed, impressed, and really, really happy that I was able to get my hands on this, because I'm sure that this definitely was in high demand, because this is very popular. So yeah, overall, controller looks nice, PS5 looks nice. I might come out with a part 2 with me actually on the PS5, seeing how it works, if it's any different, and sharing my thoughts. So I hope all of you guys have a spectacular day, and I'll see you guys next time.